Hi guys, so I'm participating with the doll search in Netherlands because I'm from the Netherlands and I'm so excited for this look. I look so crazy right now, but we're gonna make something very nice. I've used already on my face the Professional Primer and the Kylie Skin Moisturizer. Also, the foundations that I've used are NYX beige and golden. I always mix them because my color is difficult to find. The concealer that I've used is also from NYX. It's in the shade Vanilla. I also have another one, but sometimes I switch. For my brows, I've used the microfilling pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and that's it for now. That's everything that I've used, and now I'm going to start to do eyeshadow on this side. This side we're not gonna use yet, just this side. I'm going to use the Tropical Wonders palette from Certify. It looks like this, and I'm going to use the pink color. After the pink, I took, let me show you guys, this black and did it like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my clean canvas, eye base white from Jared Cosmetics, and I'm going to cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm done with the lid. So I'm done, and now it looks like this. And now it's time to remove this. So the eye is almost finished. I've added some glitters from Pixie Beauty. I've used this one, the white one. Okay, so since we're making a doll, I'm gonna put some white under my eye also to make my eye look a little bit bigger. Now I'm gonna put on lashes and then I will come back. Okay, so the lashes are on and it looks so silly, I know. Now I'm going to take some pink, and now I'm going to do the same with black. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna use Coachella from Jared Cosmetics, so you can see it, but okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the other side. On the other side, I want to do like a Voodoodoll. Now I'm going to make the outside black with the black paint. Now I got this, and I'm just gonna do some little detail. Okay, like this. So, like this. Now I'm going to take my black again, this one, and I am going to make some black lines in my eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a brown with a little bit black. And then I will take the black paint. So I'm gonna do this on more places in my face, and then I will be back. So my camera battery was empty, so I took a little break and I did some shadows and stuff, and now I'm going to do like small details, and then I will come back. So when you did the outside, then you have to fill everything in with black. Okay, so I'm almost done. Right now I need to keep my eye closed and one open, so that's a little bit difficult. Okay, so I'm almost done. I have this here. Ooh. So I'm gonna add this at some places, and then I'm so finished, and then I will come back with the final look. This is my final look, guys. Oh, I can open my eye again. My eyes burned so much. It took so long to take good pictures. Today was not my day, but we have one, and I had so much fun doing this look, and I hope you guys like it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, and I think I will do more tutorials like this because I really